Hello and thanks for clicking in. Today we're just going to be checking about Webull to see if Webull, the website, which is a platform used for trading stocks and shares, cryptocurrencies and so forth. We're just going to be having a look at it to see about their promotion of 4 free stocks, to see if it's actually true, if it's not. And I'm going to give it a go myself, try to deposit $100 to see if we can get some free stocks and possibly look at the stocks I want to buy as well and check them out on their website. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it, enjoy it. Remember to share, like and subscribe, please. Thank you. I seen a few folks recommended Webull, especially Stephen, in their offering of free stocks. Now, in Stephen Graham's channel, on the bottom of every video, he says if you deposit $100, you get $1,400 worth of stock, up to $1,400 worth of stocks free, and you get 4 stocks. So you could get 4 stocks that are worth $200 each, or $100 each, or $8 each, and so forth. Now I come on their website and I try signing up on their actual website from my computer using my email. They said, ooh, you're not allowed to actually sign up and open an account. It's because I'm not from the USA. And I was like, okay, it's a little bit weird. They said try using the mobile app. So I did. The mobile app signed me up, good. I tried now to go and deposit $100, which is about 80 something pound. No way did it open up at all. I wasn't able to deposit, and I was a little bit wary, so I clicked on the rules and find out, how does this thing work. And what it said in the rules were this specifically: the offer ends today, automatically just ends today. So if I go tomorrow, it's going to end tomorrow. So it's like every day is the last day, and no matter what, they just want you to really deposit money. They're not going to give you anything free. I've been told many times nothing is actually free in this world, and there is literally nothing free at all. Also, it says here, a new user uses your unique referral link to sign up, which is what I did thanks to Stephen Graham. Open a brokerage account, which is what I tried to do. It didn't allow me. And make a initial deposit of $100 or more within 30 days of signing up, which is what I was trying to do. It says you appreciate the first deposit between the 16th of January 2021 to the 1st of February 2021. Okay, fair enough. In order to receive their free amount of stock, you can only claim your free stock once your referral initial deposit settles. And the funny thing is, the deposit takes about 5 working days to settle. Now, in other words, if I was to sign up now and it takes 5 working days for it to settle, so let's say next week Friday, because officially that will be 5 working days. Next week Friday will be, let's check the date. Let's check the date when next week Friday is going to be. So next week Friday will be the 22nd, which there's nothing wrong with that. That's quite good. But we'll see. I'll get back to it. But I did find it quite funny how I wasn't able to do it today, and they know that this offer ends within 2 weeks' time. So we'll see if it works. The reason why I wanted to use contemplating using either Webull or Trading 212, because Trading 212 is UK based. Webull is a US platform, and there's not much significant difference, because only difference you get is, for example, in US is called stocks, in the UK is called shares. The very minor differences, but 212 isn't giving any free shares at the moment, and Webull is. So I wanted to jump on this bandwagon and get 2 free stocks to see what stocks I get and try to hold them as well. Now, there was something quite funny, because I read it says that when you claim the 2 free stocks that you get, See, so I'm getting this wrong. Here it says 100% of getting 4 free stocks, and then down here it says you earn 2 free stocks for every successful referral. Okay, fair enough. But they also say you only get you can claim your 2 free stocks once you've deposited $100. Very confused. Very confused. I mean, the basics is, okay, you get 4 free stocks is what I should be getting once I deposit $100. So we'll see if that actually comes to pass. And then here it says I could earn 2 free stocks for every successful referral. And the stocks would be valued between $8 and $1,600, which is $1,600. So if I successfully sign up and get my code and pass it on to someone, and they successfully deposit $100, I get 2 free stocks. But the issue is, with your free stock, is it really free? That's the question. Is it really free? Because you can get your free stock, but you're not allowed. If you sell your free stock, you can't claim the money until after 30 days after you sold that free stock. I mean, yes, it is free technically, but you got to wait a whole month to claim it. So, for example, imagine you get 4 free stocks that's value up to $1,400 US. You got to wait 30 days after to get it. But let's put it in mind that you've deposited $100 and you're potentially possible to have 1,600 or 1,400 on top. And that 1,400 is completely free, tax free, everything, but you've got to wait 30 days before you can withdraw that amount of money. Is it trustworthy? I guess, but I just wish that all of this would have been easier, and I just wish I could have been able to actually deposit the money today and actually go through with it. But we will continue with this series and see how well and how true it is. And I'll also pass a link on to someone and let them deposit money as well to see if I actually get those 2 free stocks. So stick along with this series and we will be able to follow it up to see if Webull is 100% true or it's 100% BS, which I doubt it is going to be, because for someone like Graham Stephan, a few other folks who I've seen promoting it who are so high up in the investments, and have like million US dollar plus of investments, I don't think they would be using the platform if they didn't trust it. Plus, I did have to say one of the reasons why I would have either chose Webull or Trading 212 is because both of them are registered. So for example, Webull, they're under the SEC, and Trading 212 is under the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority. The SEC is the Security and Exchange Commission, which is the American version of the FCA. So that's the only reason why I would have done those two. I would never invest your money into a non-registered company. This is why a lot of people don't trust into Bitcoin, because it's not really regulated. Neither is forex. So be very careful with your money. I mean, £100 isn't a lot of money. It is, because for some people, if you give a homeless person $100, they possibly could get a hostel, for a couple of nights. So it is quite a lot of money in value. It's also enough to do, a weekly shopping for maybe a family of 4, and that's a lot. So, I'm investing this $100 into this for us to see how far we can get it to grow with the stocks. I'm going to do the stocks analyst that I really want to invest into, and I'll do a video of that as well, and then hopefully we'll see if we can get access into this Webull to see if we can claim those 4 free stocks, or we'll see if we get 4 or 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, share it and subscribe.